Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey lovers, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Asteria Hair. Shout out to you, Asteria, for sending me this unit. This unit is another headband unit, and it is a colorful one, honey. It's not a colorful child, colored one. Oh, I don't know if I want to say color. Whatever. Y'all, it's in the color 99J, okay? This is like one of my favorite colors to wear in the fall, in the winter, mostly in the fall. This is just my fall color, honey. So I'm not sure if this unit is a curly wig or a deep wave unit, but either way, it got some curls on it, okay? But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys watch me style this unit, and I am gonna put it in a ponytail, honey. Don't worry about my kitchen, and I don't mean the kitchen in my house, honey. Don't worry about my kitchen, worry about your kitchen, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig, and if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye! Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Asteria Hair. Shout out to you, Asteria, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So let me just go ahead and keep it a whole buck with you guys. I don't have a lot of details and specs on this unit, okay? Like, I have some details and specs, but I don't really have any details and specs. So I'm just gonna keep it real, okay? So if I'm not mistaken, this is supposed to be like a deep wave unit. I could be wrong, girl, because I honestly don't know. It can be a deep wave or it can be a curly. Girl, I don't know. I don't know what it is. Child, my earring don't know either. So honestly, y'all, I just really don't know what this unit is. And I tried to look it up on the site, and I can't figure it out. Now, what I do know is that the company did tell me they was gonna send me a 16-inch unit. And I'm gonna just look on here and see if I can find out any other details and specs on this thing right here. So it does say 16 inches. So we know for a fact that this unit is 16 inches long, and it is 180% density. Now this wig is a headband wig. So the rest is, you know, do you really need that information, girl? Do you really need it? So it is a 99J colored unit, and as far as the cap construction, it does come with 3 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back. Child, am I lying? I don't know, but I'm gonna show you guys all that in the beginning. So I think it has a total of 5 combs. I think it has 3 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, with adjustable straps, as well as that little headband elastic type of thing. Okay, you guys know the thing that you get with all these headband wigs. So if I'm not mistaken, that's what this one comes with, and it comes with, mine came with 3 headbands. So I got this one, which is the color that I used in my in another Asteria Hair headband wig video. I really love that color. It's a safe color, and it's a thick headband. I love a good thick headband. So yeah, I got that one, and then I also got this one. Now you guys know I don't really mess with these sort of headbands for real, girl. I like how they look on other people, but This is not my swag right now because your girl ain't got no edges, okay? So I don't mess with stuff like this, okay? I mess with stuff that I can act like I got edges, okay? You know what I mean? Like, I want to act like there's some edges there, girl. And I can't do that with stuff like this. I just can't, okay? But yeah, it's real cute. And I got this one right here, which really went with my whole fall type-ish vibe. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, there's some yellow in here, girl. Okay, those some yellow daisy flowers type things in this. So yeah, I wanted to, that was like the swag that I was going for. And yeah, like I stated, the hair is 99J. And 99J to me is just a fall color. Like, you can't go wrong when it comes to 99J and fall. Like, it's just, it gives fall's vibes, girl, okay? So yeah, I really love a good 99J in the fall. And I'm not, like I stated, I'm not sure if this is curly or a deep wave. I don't think it's a deep wave. I could be wrong. Or I don't know what she is, girl, okay? But she gives you curly vibes, okay? So I will have a direct link to it, so you don't have to worry about it. I just don't know what she is. But I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box, so you will know even though your girl don't know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, as far as big head friendliness when it comes to headband wigs, it's really not a whole lot I can tell you about it when it comes to like big head, whether or not a wig is big head friendly or not, because I feel like they are basically one size fits all. So to me, I may think it's big head friendly and you be like, girl, no, she's not, okay? But she is a one size fits all. Like, I feel like you can make it tighter or loose as you want to with these type of wigs. So yeah, I feel like they one size fits all. Like, that's just how I feel. So yeah, that's pretty much that as far as the cap construction and all of that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, she does not tangle whatsoever so far. And she does not shed at all so far. But this is more of a first impression versus a review. So keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you are interested in like how I feel about this unit, because honey, I ain't gonna do a lint check. Like, this is it. This is it, girl. No Michael Jackson. So if you're interested in how I feel about it and all that, then please continue. Okay, y'all. So as far as how I feel about this wig, I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe. I like the color. You guys know 99J is just my girl, okay? As well as a good curly type of unit. That's my girl too. So like the two combined, I'm like, yes, honey. Okay, I don't care what nobody says. This is a whole entire vibe for me. So I think it's an entire look. I have no issues with it whatsoever. I am definitely feeling it. It's a look to me. And yeah, y'all, like, I don't really have a whole lot to say about it. I would recommend it, especially if you are in the market for something that's fallish, whether it's the curls or whatever. This just gives me complete fall vibe. So I would definitely recommend it. I would recommend you guys checking it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, I don't have nothing to say about it, girl. She's a look. She's a vibe. Honey, you can cover up the fact that you ain't got no edges with this headband, girl. Okay, get the thick one. Get the thick headband, girl. Trust me. This is coming from somebody else with no edges. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, just let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments. And we can wrap this thing all the way up. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.